It's very nice. Very grateful to have it all, and helps out a lot. Helps out with tests.
What kind of things can you do with the two screens that you couldn't do traditionally with just the single Chromebook and
You
trackpad?
have to switch back from tabs. You can just look at your screen and type it in to the other one.
So seeing two different graphs or a problem and a graph side by side, much better than having to go between tabs. What about having a mouse versus the trackpad?
It's way easier to move around and gets work done faster.
Okay, more efficient work. Very good. Okay. Anything else you like? You like having access to the highlighters and being able to visually? That helps a lot.
Yeah, you don't have to go buy anything. It's just all here.
Nice. A little bit about the class and what you like about it versus other traditional classes that you've had.
I like how Ms. Gibson lets us have the split screen because it's easier than having to go back and forth throughout your tabs if you're doing something on the computer with your calculator. And also you can just easily look up and then you can just do and you can easily find your graph and you can use your mouse, which is really easy to work with. You can go back and forth really easily. And the trackpad, it kind of lags more. So the mouse and the mouse pad gives us more accessibility to scroll
Okay.
and go around to the lines or to find the answer.
How do you see this playing into outside of math class, the use of this technology in the real world? Do you see any kind of transition of this skill somewhere else?
Yeah, most definitely, because even teachers have two screens to work in between their boards and their laptops. No matter what space you're in, if you're working with any technology, you usually have a laptop or in a monitor, so you can go back and forth. And also, you're not always going to be working with a big group of people. Just your own little desk, you can be with a coworker or an associate that you're working with.
Very good. Nice.
It makes testing a lot easier and doing problems a lot easier because on one screen I can be looking at the problem right here, and I could do it right here and I won't have to switch tabs. So it makes it a lot more efficient compared to switching the tabs and have to remember what the question was. And then it's just a lot more easier compared to other classes where you have to remember what you were reading. And it's more realistic because when we're older and we have actual jobs, this is what a setup would look like compared to just a laptop.